In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and respond to buyer reviews on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just getting started, staying on top of your reviews is key to maintaining a good reputation and ensuring repeat business. Let's take a closer look at how you can navigate Facebook to manage these reviews efficiently. To kick things off, your first step is to open up Facebook. It might seem obvious, but it's always good to ensure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you have multiple profiles or pages. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll see a list of options. You might need to scroll a little bit to find the option we need next. Find and click on See More. This link is like a gateway, revealing a whole host of Facebook features that you may not usually access, including Marketplace. After clicking See More, you'll be presented with an expanded menu. In this new list of options, locate and click on Marketplace. This area of Facebook is bustling with buying and selling activity, and it's where you'll manage your selling interactions. With Marketplace open, look towards the top of the screen. You will see a few tabs. Find the one labeled Selling and go ahead and click on it. This is your control center for all things related to your listings and transactions. Once you're viewing your selling dashboard, find the Marketplace profile option and click on it. Here is where all pertinent details related to your Marketplace activities are gathered, including your buyer reviews. This space is designed to give you a snapshot of your ratings and reviews from past buyers. Finally, it's time to address those reviews. Your Marketplace profile page is where you'll find feedback left by buyers. Reviews can be a goldmine of information, offering insights into what's working and what might need improvement. If there's feedback that requires your attention, be it thanking a happy buyer or addressing any issues or concerns, you can directly respond from this page. Keep in mind, responding to reviews shows that you value customer feedback and can improve customer satisfaction and trust. Positive interactions here can significantly impact your selling experience. Always be respectful and professional, as this is an extension of your customer service in real life. And there you have it. Now you know how to find and respond to buyer reviews on Facebook Marketplace. Engaging with your buyers through reviews is a simple yet effective way to bolster your presence and build a positive reputation within the community. Thanks for joining me today, and best of luck with your selling endeavors on Facebook Marketplace.